guys, I'm back with another mani. So Nail Reserved let me pick out 6 polishes from their site, and here are the 6 polishes. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me out these polishes. So let's go ahead and get into the colors. The first color is Electric Orange, which is a neon orange, nice and vibrant orange, perfect for the spring and the summer. And with the swatch sticks is base coat, 2 coats of color, and Nail Reserve's top coat. The next color is Thursday Drive. It is a lilac shade, really pretty. I can see that color with some floral nails. The next color is Purple Addict, but on the site is listed as Purple Reserve. It's a very bright and vibrant purple, really pretty as well. It's almost neon to me. The next color is a beautiful glittery blue. It's Sweet Sapphire, and so it has a little jelly effect in it. And again, the swatch stick is 2 coats of color, but you can see my nail through the swatch stick. The next color is Perfect Tan. It's a champagne color with soft sparkles, really pretty as well. That would be good for a nice neutral mani, maybe with some lace stamping on top or whatever floats your boat. And the last color that I picked out was Golden Crown. It's a pink shimmer with hints of gold, really pretty as well. Nice neutral color also. And so with this mani, I decided to use 2 colors, Sweet Sapphire and Golden Crown. These are the 2 colors that I use. I do have on some short almond nail tips, and I glued those on, and then I'm going to apply a layer of gel base coat and cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I will also do 2 coats of color on each nail and cure for 30 seconds between each coat. Before I go, of course, Nail Reserve has a VIP program where you pay $29 a month and you do receive a $29 credit if you decide to do so. It also allows or offers you free shipping, and you have 50% off while you are a VIP member. If not, I do have a discount code. It's Curly Kite Nails. That will save you 50% off your purchase for non-VIP members. I will have that listed in the description box down below, not along, the description box below, and a bit.ly link that will take you directly to the site should you decide to make a purchase. So I saved my thumbnail for last, and what I'm trying to do, and I'm sorry I get out of frame a little bit, I'm trying to do an ombre with Golden Crown and Sweet Sapphire. So I'm putting that at the base of the nail because I think that's a nice neutral color, even though it has shimmer in it. And so I'm painting that halfway through the nail, and then on the tip I am applying Sweet Sapphire, and I'm going to use the gel polish brush and kind of hopefully blend that in to the best of my ability. And this is my first time doing this. Yes, they do make gel polish ombre brushes, but I was at my grandma's house recording this video and I did not have everything that I normally have in my nail room, but I think overall it turned out good. And so after I do that first layer, and I did get some on my skin, and I do clean that up with the nail brush and alcohol or the cuticle stick, whatever I used, I forgot. But I do cure that for 30 seconds, and now I'm going in with a second coat of those two colors, and this time I do have a dry gel brush, and I'm going to use the dry brush to do the ombre. And once I do that, I'm going to cure, and then to kind of seal the deal, to make it look a little bit better. But I thought it was cute though. I thought it was cute. Y'all have to let me know what y'all think. I do go in with a layer of gel base on top of that after I cure it, and then I cure for the gel base for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So after curing, I do go in with an alcohol wipe, and I remove the inhibition layer from my nails because I'm going in with some holographic butterfly stickers. I believe these came from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, and I thought the blue butterflies would look absolutely perfect with this mani. I thought it went well with the color Sweet Sapphire. And so I couldn't find my nail art tweezers. I thought I put them in my little nail bag to take to my grandma's, but I couldn't find them. I found them after the fact. They were like in a pocket. And so I just lift those off of the paper with the cuticle stick or orange wood stick and use the beveled edge of that to press the butterfly down, and it worked out. And what's hanging on the sidewall or on the cuticle area of the nail, I do have I actually took cuticle nippers because I couldn't find my little scissors either, and clipped off the excess of that butterfly. So I apply that sticker to my ring finger, and then I apply a butterfly to my thumbnail, and I thought it turned out really pretty. I thought they were cute. I thought they were really, really cute. And then after I get the butterflies on and, press down on the nail, and I dropped that little butterfly, and I was like, oh Lord, you're playing with me. But I do go in and apply another layer of gel base coat to kind of seal that butterfly in, cure for 30 seconds, and then I go in and apply Nail Reserves, the no wipe top coat, and cure for 30 seconds. I do also go in off camera and apply some AB rhinestones to the middle of the butterfly, and then I apply a single rhinestone on the tip of the nail. So coming up is the finished look. I thought they were really cute and simple. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.